Traveling can be stressful, but having the right carry-on luggage makes all the difference. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a weekend traveler, or someone who just needs the perfect cabin-sized bag, choosing the right carry-on is crucial. But with so many options on the market, how do you know which one is the best for you? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 carry-on luggage choices, focusing on durability, design, functionality, and overall value. Whether you're looking for lightweight, high-tech, or luxury, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Starting off our list, we have the Samsonite Winfield 3, a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. This lightweight and durable hardshell carry-on is made from polycarbonate, which offers excellent impact resistance while keeping the weight low. It features 360-degree spinner wheels, making it effortless to navigate through airports. The expandable design gives you extra packing space, and the TSA-approved lock keeps your belongings secure. However, it lacks advanced organizational compartments, making it less ideal for those who need specialized packing features. Additionally, while the polycarbonate shell is highly durable, it may show scratches over time, which is something to consider if you prefer luggage that maintains a pristine appearance. For travelers looking for a reliable, stylish, and affordable carry-on, the Samsonite Winfield 3 is a solid choice. Next, we have the Travelpro Platinum Elite, a fantastic option for frequent travelers who need durability and convenience. Made from high-density nylon with a DuraGuard coating, this soft-sided carry-on is water-resistant and extremely durable. The built-in USB port allows you to charge your devices on the go, and the Precision Glide System wheels ensure a smooth roll. Inside, the suitor system helps prevent wrinkles in your clothes, making it a great option for business travelers. It also features a deluxe interior with multiple compartments, making it easy to stay organized. However, it's slightly heavier than hardshell alternatives, which might be a drawback for some, especially for those trying to stay within strict airline weight limits. If you're a frequent flyer looking for a well-built, feature-packed carry-on, the Travelpro Platinum Elite is a top-tier choice. Coming in at number 3, we have the Away Bigger Carry-On, a perfect blend of style, simplicity, and practicality. This sleek, minimalist carry-on is made from high-quality polycarbonate, offering durability without unnecessary weight. It includes a removable USB charger, so you'll never run out of battery while traveling. Inside, you get dual compartments, one for clothes, one for shoes and toiletries, making organization effortless. The compression system ensures you can fit more while keeping everything neatly packed. However, the glossy finish is prone to scratches, which may be a concern for those who want their luggage to always look pristine. Also, it doesn't have as many external pockets as soft-sided alternatives, so quick access storage is more limited. For travelers who want a modern, stylish, and functional carry-on, the Away Bigger carry-on is an excellent choice. For business travelers, the Briggs & Riley Baseline Domestic Carry-On is the ultimate choice. Constructed with ballistic nylon, this luggage is built to last a lifetime. It features CX expansion technology, allowing it to expand and compress back to its original size for maximum packing efficiency. The outsider handle design keeps the interior completely flat, preventing wrinkles in your clothes. This is particularly useful for those who travel with suits or formal wear. While it lacks built-in tech features like USB charging, its unmatched durability and lifetime warranty make it a worthy investment. This model also has self-repairing YKK zippers, ensuring long-term reliability. The corner guards and reinforced frames add extra protection, making it one of the toughest carry-ons available. If you're a business traveler who needs a durable and efficient carry-on, the Briggs & Riley Baseline is the best you can get. Finally, at number 1, we have the TUMI Alpha 3 Expandable Carry-On, the premium choice for those who want the best of the best. This luxury carry-on is made from FXT ballistic nylon, offering exceptional durability. It includes TUMI's signature expansion system, which provides extra packing capacity while maintaining structure. Other standout features include integrated USB charging, a built-in garment sleeve, and a sleek, professional design. The handles and wheels are reinforced for extra durability, ensuring smooth maneuverability even in busy airports. However, it comes with a high price tag, making it a better fit for those who are willing to invest in premium luggage. Some users may also find it slightly heavier compared to other options in its category. For those who prioritize premium craftsmanship, high-end features, and durability, the TUMI Alpha 3 is the ultimate carry-on luggage. And that wraps up our list of the best carry-on luggage options. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly like the Samsonite Winfield 3, a business traveler's favorite like the Briggs and Riley baseline, or a luxury option like the TUMI Alpha 3, there's a perfect carry-on for you. Having the right carry-on luggage can make your travel smoother and more efficient. Comfort, durability, and convenience are key factors when picking the best travel companion. Before making your final decision, think about what features matter most to you: lightweight design, extra compartments, built-in tech, or expandability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel gear reviews. Which carry-on are you considering? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.